Hi everybody, this is Jimmy with nCLOSE. Today I'm going to show you how to install your ID6 terminal stand. Basically, you're going to install your iDynamo6 into the terminal stand. So in our box comes a 1 meter cable, and you're also supposed to use the Magtek charging cable. So what you would do is you would plug the one end into here, and then the Magtek cable into your female port. Now this is only going to give you around 3 feet of distance, so if this is something that once you run it through your mount is not long enough for you, we do have a 2 meter option. Please give nCLOSE a call, and this way you can get a 2 meter option, which is around 6+ feet. Otherwise 3 foot would be the option out of the box. So once you run your Magtek cables through the mount, as well as the 2A, 2B 1 meter cable from nCLOSE, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to plug those into your hub. So right here at nCLOSE, we also have different cables. We have a USB-C 2 meter cable. We have C to C cables. We have A to C cables. So it really just depends on what you want. We also have some adapters. One thing I did notice when I plugged this in is that you do want to have your hub mount all the way over on one side. That way you don't have this part interfering with your cables. But once you go ahead and you plug everything in, you have the ability to rotate and do everything. This system is the cables are run through your mount. They're managed here. You can actually use your nCLOSE provided cable wraps to make sure that these are nice and neat. And then what you're going to do is these two cables will plug into your Magtek product. So as I mentioned before, you're going to plug the female cable into the male tip. You're going to plug the Magtek cable into the female side. And please note, if you did want to use a different hub than the RT20, you can still use a C3PO hub, or you can just go ahead and reprogram this so that the female port does both data and power, and you can upgrade to one of our 2 meter. So for the terminal stand, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and flip it over. You're going to take out all 4 screws. I've already taken out the 4 screws. That leaves you with a top, a plastic cover, and the bottom module. Now you take your iDynamo6, you slide it in on an angle, or not too angled. You manage your cables right here. And this way, you have everything coming out this side. This will only go in one way, so you can see how it goes in. I like to come from the front here, just kind of set that on top, make sure your cables are managed. You're going to see there's no gaps. You're going to flip this over, put in your 4 screws, and you are now done. So now you can see that I have my iDynamo6 terminal stand, as well as my nCLOSE kiosk or fully fixed position for the employees. This is Jimmy with nCLOSE. Thank you for watching.